Hey, welcome back to Templett. Today I want to share with you Templett's Glyphs feature. If you're looking to add a bit of flair or uniqueness to your text, this is the tool you need to know about. So let's jump right in. I've got a template open here and I've already added some text. Now, sometimes the standard characters just don't cut it, especially if you want to have a beautiful script font or something with intricate details. That's where Glyphs come in. First, make sure you've selected the text you want to edit, and once you've done that, head over to the toolbar up top. Now, you'll see this box that just has a cursive G on it. Go ahead and click on that. Here, you'll find all the additional characters, swashes, and special symbols that come with your selected font. It's like unlocking a hidden treasure chest of design elements. Let's say I want to add a fancy swash to the end of this word, if you will. I simply highlight the last letter of this name, select the glyph I like, and it automatically replaces the standard character. Just look at how it transforms the text into something truly unique. With just a few clicks, you can completely customize your text, giving it that extra touch of elegance or creativity that makes your design stand out. So, whether you're designing wedding invitations, logos, or anything that needs that special touch, don't forget to explore the Glyphs feature in Templett. It's an easy way to elevate your designs and make them truly yours. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tip, be sure to like and subscribe for more template tutorials. Keep creating and I'll see you in the next video.